When we come here, it's a platform that we have decided to use to allow the Commission to engage directly with the Kenyans on the state of peace and political decency in the way to the August 9th elections. This platform will be happening every month, and as the election nears, we might even have to increase the frequency of having this briefing.
As we move closer to the general elections scheduled for the 9th of August 2022, the National Cohesion and Integration Commission has together with her partners, enhanced her programs to attain a violence-free elections. As a commission, we are pleased to report that there has been relative peace and calm across the country, and this we commend the Kenyan people for maintaining relative peace.